Not sure how well this will come out, but we're going to do a flywheel removal here. There we go, nuts off. See if I can get this flywheel to pop off here. Generally just takes a little tap once you put the bolt back on. And there we go. Just that simple. A little persuasion. I got the screwdriver here to hold the blade brake so I can spin it around. And there's nothing wrong with the key, but I'm just going to clean everything up and put this back on. Put a new key in here and tighten this back up. There we go. It just kind of fell in place. I don't use the impact wrench to putting these back on. I tighten these up with my regular wrench. Okay, finish this up and onto the carburetor. I really just took the whole tank and carburetor off and just cleaned the old gas out and put some more in and cleaned that around and dumped it out. I think we'll be okay with that. I'm going to put this back together and wait for my control arm cable. I got my new cable. It's an OEM part number 158152. And this little piece here was actually broken on the other one that goes in this hole, the handlebar. And this in here just connects in here, pushes it in there. And we'll reconnect it back up. And I got some tie straps. Be starting this real soon. The hardest part of this job was getting this wire off. Tag that was on the cable. Got some tie straps on here. And it works beautifully. Time to give it a start. Some gas in it.